What's up, guys? Today's video is about Vista Cruise Control. It's very useful accessory that you can add to your bike. Of course, the bike that it doesn't come with cruise control. So basically, this accessory it locks the throttle on the speed that you're traveling with, and it gives you the ability to release the throttle if your hand get tired, especially on the highway for a long trip. It's very useful. Accessory to add to your bike. It's helpful. And today we're gonna do a video about how to install it. And I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit like button if you like it, and subscribe for more videos. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, this is all the stuff that was in the package. This is the stuff that you need to install the Vista Cruise Control. This is the thing that you press to lock the throttle, and this is the thing that it locks the throttle. This part right here, it goes on the other side of the grip, and this part right here, it connects these two parts, and some screws right here, and this right here, it's a rubber. It's basically if you have a small grip, you use this one inside right here. But if the grip is not small, you don't need this, because it has already one right here. That's it. This is the tools, and we're gonna start installing it in a minute. Alright guys, we're gonna start installing this. First of all, you start with this part right here, facing that way. That screw is facing that way, and it's gonna go right here, like that. It's depend on your bike. Maybe you will have to move some parts away, and in my case, I didn't have to move anything. I have enough space. Okay, so we're gonna screw this right here. This bolt is facing this way. Now we're gonna put this part right here. Alright, that's in its place. We're gonna come with this part. The metal ring is facing this way. This rubber here, the one it comes with it, it was too big, so I had to cut it to make it fit on the grip. So you just slide it like that. And you tie this small bolts right here. This one is it's right here in its place, and this is should spin around. Should spin around like that. And this one right here, the black part, should turn with the throttle. Now we have to put this part right here. Right here. This part right here is a little bit tricky to line up the hole with this hole right here. You have to push it this way, because the spring, there is a spring in the middle right here, so you have to push it this way to line up the hole with this hole right here. And the spacer is gonna go right here with this part that we just installed. Is gonna go right here between this part and this part. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Alright, I got this part right here hooked up. That's the spacer between this part. That's the spacer. And the part right here is hooked up. It goes, there is a bolt that goes right here. So this is how it works. Basically it locks the throttle. So we're gonna roll the throttle. It's locked. Release it. Throttle goes back. And even when this one is pressed down, you still can roll the throttle back without, you know, pressing this part right here, like this. Let's say it goes back. Locked, it goes back. Alright guys, the installation is done. It took about 30 minutes. It's not hard, but it's a little bit tricky. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more coming videos. Thank you guys for watching.